Hi, it's Anne. Today I want to make myself a few frames. I've got these molds with different frames. I'm just going to make me a few because I want to do something with it. What I don't know yet, but I plan on doing something. I'm just going to fill one that you can see how I do it, and then the rest I'll do off camera because I have videos of how to do this and everything, and I don't want it to be too repetitive. Yeah, that's the right word. So I'm just going to start and fill the small one, and then I will fill the other ones off camera. Just make sure hot glue doesn't burn too much. Well, it depends on how deep you stick your finger into the glue, but I always touch my glue. I don't know why, but I bought me this little silicone thingy, so I hope it's going to work. But I've burnt a lot of times and it doesn't do anything, but just be careful. It is very hot, especially the tip. So I'm just going to fill this one, and I will see you when it's ready to take out of the mold. Okay, most of these molds are dry now, so I'm just going to take them out. Remember, as I said, you can take this off with your nail, or you can snip it off with your scissor. It's easier when they are still a little bit warm, actually, to cut them. You can just peel your mold from the side and take it out. It's as easy as that. Now I've got a few molds to play around with. And I'm going to paint them, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. So I will see you when all these are out of the molds. Okay, these are unmolded, and I've taken all the extra bits and strings and stuff, so I want to paint it now. I'm just going to use my acrylics. I think turquoise and a pink and a purple and a blue and maybe a green or a yellow. I will see as I start painting them which colors I'm going to use, but it's just my plain acrylic craft paint, and I'm just going to paint it, so I'm going to speed it up. I will be giving them more than one coat if it is needed. I'm now just going to put, they are all dry now, so I'm just going to put a touch of white with all my colors, not too much, and I just want to dry brush them all, just to give them a little bit more depth and shadows, because I don't like the flat color too much, and I don't want to highlight them with gold or anything. So you can just put as much as you want in there. Dry brush this. And I'm just touching the raised areas. I will see how it looks when they dried. So I'm not going to show you every step of the way, because if you watch one, you can do all of them. So just again, a little bit of white into the color that you want. I just test them first and see if I want a little bit more white, and then you just dry brush the raised areas. Okay, so I'm finished now. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe if you really want to, and I will definitely see you next time. You must have a lovely day.